Are you looking for the best way to prepare for the WGU D426 objective assessment? Look no further. Our website offers a comprehensive set of questions and answers specifically tailored to help you pass the Data Management Foundations module with ease. In this video, we will cover questions from database structure, SQL queries, data integrity, database design, and relational model. So, let's get started. 1. Which normal form ensures that every cell contains exactly one value and every table has a primary key? A. First normal form, 1NF. B. Second normal form, 2NF. C. Third normal form, 3NF. D. Voice code normal form, BCNF. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. First normal form, 1NF. Explanation. First normal form, 1NF, ensures that every cell contains exactly one value and that the table has a primary key. This is the most basic form of database normalization. 2. In SQL, which keyword is used to prevent a column from having a null value? A. Not null. B. Default. C. Auto-increment. D. Primary key. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Not null. Explanation. The not null keyword is used to ensure that a column does not accept null values. It is added in the column definition during table creation. 3. Which type of join in SQL selects all rows from the left table and only matching rows from the right table? A. Inner join. B. Full join. C. Left join. D. Cross join. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Left join. Explanation. A left join selects all rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. Rows from the left table without a match in the right table will have nulls in the columns from the right table. 4. Which SQL operator is used to compare columns using the ELT operator? A. Non-equi-join. B. Cross-join. C. Self-join. D. Equi-join. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. D. Equi-join. Explanation. An equi-join is used to compare columns using the equals operator in SQL. It is the most common type of join where two tables are joined based on equality between specified columns. 5. Which type of key in a table uniquely identifies a row and cannot be null? A. Foreign key. B. Composite key. C. Primary key. D. Unique key. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Primary key. Explanation. A primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table and must always have unique, non-null values. 6. In database design, which phase specifies the structure and organization of the database tables? A. Conceptual design. B. Physical design. C. Logical design. D. Data definition. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Physical design. Explanation. Physical design specifies how the database tables are organized on storage media, including indexes and partitions, to optimize query performance. 7. Which type of index contains an entry for every row in a table? A. Sparse index. B. Dense index. C. Primary index. D. Multi-level index. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Dense index. Explanation. A dense index contains an entry for every row in the table, unlike a sparse index, which contains entries for only certain rows or blocks. 8. In relational databases, what does the term cardinality refer to? A. The speed of data access. B. The number of times an entity can be related to another entity. C. The type of join used between tables. D. The process of normalizing data. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. The number of times an entity can be related to another entity. Explanation. Cardinality refers to the maximum and minimum number of times one entity can be related to instances of another entity in a relational database. 9. Which SQL statement is used to create a new table in a database? A. Create index. B. Create table. C. Insert into. D. Alter table. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Create table. Explanation. The create table statement is used to define and create a new table by specifying its column names, data types, and constraints. 10. Which type of relationship is defined when a foreign key in one table refers to the primary key of another table? A. One-to-many. B. One-to-one. C. Many-to-many. D. Self-join. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. One-to-many. Explanation. A one-to-many relationship is established when a foreign key in one table refers to the primary key in another table, allowing multiple rows in the first table to relate to a single row in the second. 11. Which SQL function returns the minimum value in a set of rows? A. Max. B. Min. C. Sum. D. Count. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Min. Explanation. The min function returns the smallest value from a set of rows in SQL. It is often used to find the minimum value in a numeric column. 12. What is the primary purpose of the truncate statement in SQL? A. Deletes a single row. B. Deletes all rows from a table. C. Deletes a column from a table. D. Deletes a table structure. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Deletes all rows from a table. Explanation. The truncate statement in SQL is used to remove all rows from a table, but keeps the table structure intact for future use. 14. What is the key characteristic of an auto-increment column in SQL? A. It must be a text column. B. It is automatically assigned a unique number for each row. C. It cannot be updated once inserted. D. It allows null values. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. It is automatically assigned a unique number for each row. Explanation. An auto-increment column automatically generates a unique, sequential number for each new row inserted into the table. 15. In which normal form are all non-key columns dependent on the whole primary key and nothing else? A. First normal form, 1NF. B. Second normal form, 2NF. C. Third normal form, 3NF. D. Voice cod. Normal form, BCNF. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Third normal form, 3NF. Explanation. Third normal form, 3NF, requires that all non-key columns depend on the primary key and no other non-key column. 16. Which SQL clause is used to filter results based on a condition? A. Select. B. From. C. Where. D. Join. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Where. Explanation. The where clause filters the results returned by a query based on the specified condition, such as comparing column values. 17. Which type of index only stores entries for certain blocks of a table rather than every row? A. Dense index. B. Sparse index. C. Hash index. D. bitmap index. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Sparse index. Explanation. A sparse index stores entries only for certain blocks of a table, making it more efficient for larger datasets where not every row needs to be indexed. 18. Which type of join returns rows that have matching values in both the left and right tables? A. Inner join. B. Left join. C. Right join. D. Full join. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Inner join. Explanation. An inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both the left and right tables. It excludes rows that do not have matches in either table. 19. What is the primary function of a foreign key in a relational database? A. To uniquely identify each row in a table. B. To refer to the primary key in another table. C. To store large amounts of data. D. To create indexes for faster queries. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. To refer to the primary key in another table. Explanation. A foreign key in a relational database is used to create a link between two tables by referencing the primary key in another table. 20. Which aggregate function in SQL calculates the total sum of values in a column? A. AVG. B. min. C. Sum. D. Count. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Sum. Explanation. The sum function adds together all the values in a specified column and returns the total. 21. In database design, what does a composite primary key consist of? A. A single column. B. Multiple columns. C. A combination of primary and foreign keys. D. Two foreign keys. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Multiple columns. Explanation. A composite primary key is made up of two or more columns in a table, and together these columns uniquely identify each row. 22. Which type of join includes all rows from the left and right tables, regardless of whether they have matches? A. Inner join. B. Full join. C. Left join. D. Right join. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Full join. Explanation. A full join selects all rows from both tables, regardless of whether there is a match, filling in nulls where necessary. 23. Which type of index is used in SQL databases to assign entries to buckets? A. Sparse index. B. Hash index. C. Bitmap index. D. Dense index. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Hash index. Explanation. A hash index assigns index entries to buckets using a hash function, which computes a bucket number from the value of the indexed column. 25. Which command in SQL deletes a table from a database entirely, including all rows and structure? A. Delete. B. Truncate. C. Drop table. D. Remove table. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Drop table. Explanation. The drop table command removes an entire table, including its rows and structure, from the database. 26. In SQL, which operator is used for pattern matching with wildcards? A. Like. B. In. C. Between. D. Exists. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Like. Explanation. The like operator is used for pattern matching in SQL, often with wildcard characters such as % for multiple characters or % for a single character. 27. Which SQL statement is used to change the data in an existing row in a table? A. Insert. B. Update. C. Delete. D. Create. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Update. Explanation. The update statement is used to modify the data in existing rows in a table by specifying new values for the columns. 28. Which SQL command is used to create an index on one or more columns of a table? A. Create index. B. Alter table. C. Create table. D. Create view. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Create index. Explanation. The create index command creates an index on one or more columns of a table to improve the speed of data retrieval operations. 29. Which clause in SQL is used to limit the number of rows returned by a select statement? A. Where. B. Having. C. Limit. D. Order by. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Limit. Explanation. The limit clause is used to specify the maximum number of rows to be returned by a select query, limiting the result set. 30. In a relational database, what does the term schema refer to? A. The structure of a database, including tables, columns, and relationships. B. A subset of data in a table. C. A specific row in a table. D. A command to retrieve data from a table. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. The structure of a database, including tables, columns, and relationships. Explanation. The schema of a database defines its structure, including the tables, columns, data types, and relationships between tables. Struggling with your WGU exams? We've all been there. Welcome to OAexams.com, your ultimate resource for WGU success. Find over 15,000 plus questions and answers. Join our thriving community of over 10,000 active WGU students and an impressive 100% success rate with our premium exam support. Visit OAexams.com today and take the first step toward guaranteed success. 31. Which SQL operator is used to return unique values from a column? A. Distinct. B. Unique. C. Like. D. Between. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Distinct. Explanation. The distinct operator returns only unique values from a column, removing any duplicate values from the result set. 32. Which type of key in a table is used to refer to the primary key in another table? A. Foreign key. B. Composite key. C. Primary key. D. Unique key. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Foreign key. Explanation. A foreign key is used to refer to the primary key in another table, establishing a relationship between the two tables. 33. What is the purpose of a check constraint in SQL? A. To ensure that values in a column follow a specific rule. B. To create a relationship between two tables. C. To remove duplicate rows from a result set. D. To limit the number of rows returned by a query. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. To ensure that values in a column follow a specific rule. Explanation. A check constraint ensures that values in a column must satisfy a specified condition or rule, enforcing data integrity. 34. In which normal form is a table if all columns are functionally dependent on the primary key and there are no transitive dependencies. A. First normal form, 1NF. B. Second normal form, 2NF. C. Third normal form, 3NF. D. Boyce Card normal form, BCNF. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. Third normal form. 3NF. Explanation. A table is in third normal form. 3NF. When all columns are functionally dependent on the primary key and there are no transitive dependencies between non-key columns. 35. Which SQL statement is used to delete specific rows from a table based on a condition? A. Delete. B. Truncate. C. Drop table. D. Update. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Delete. Explanation. The delete statement is used to remove specific rows from a table based on a condition specified in the where clause. 36. Which clause in SQL is used to filter rows before grouping them in a group by query? A. Having. B. Where. C. Limit. D. Order by. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Where. Explanation. The where clause filters rows before they are grouped in a group by query, applying conditions to individual rows. 37. Which type of key uniquely identifies each row in a table and must always contain unique, non-null values? A. Primary key. B. Foreign key. C. Composite key. D. Unique key. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Primary key. Explanation. The primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table and ensures that no two rows have the same value in the primary key column. 38. What is the main purpose of the alter table command in SQL? A. To modify the structure of an existing table. B. To delete all rows from a table. C. To add rows to a table. D. To create a new index on a table. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. To modify the structure of an existing table. Explanation. The alter table command is used to change the structure of an existing table, such as adding, removing, or modifying columns. 39. Which type of join includes all rows from the right table and only matching rows from the left table? A. Left join. B. Inner join. C. Right join. D. Full join. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. Right join. Explanation. A right join includes all rows from the right table and only the matching rows from the left table. Rows from the right table without a match in the left table will still appear in the result. 40. Which term describes the dependence of one column on another in a table, where one value determines another? A. Functional dependence. B. Composite key. C. Foreign key. D. Index. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Functional dependence. Explanation. Functional dependence occurs when one column's value is determined by another column's value in a database table. 41. Which SQL operator is used to compare a value to a range of values? A. In. B. Between. C. Like. D. Exists. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Between. Explanation. The between operator is used to compare a value to a range of values, specifying a minimum and maximum value in a query. 42. Which SQL function calculates the number of rows returned by a query? A. Count. B. Sum. C. AVG. D. Max. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Count. Explanation. The count function returns the number of rows in a result set, often used to determine how many rows meet certain criteria. 43. What is the primary function of a unique key in a database table? A. To allow duplicate rows in a table. B. To store multiple values in one row. C. To ensure that a column has unique values. D. To link two tables together. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. C. To ensure that a column has unique values. Explanation. A unique key ensures that all values in a specified column or set of columns are distinct, preventing duplicate entries. 44. Which aggregate function in SQL calculates the average of values in a column? A. AVG, B. SUM, C. MIN, D. Count. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. AVG. Explanation. The AVG function calculates the arithmetic mean, average, of the values in a specified column. 45. In relational databases, what does the term entity refer to? A. A relationship between two tables. B. A set of related columns. C. A real-world object or concept represented in a table. D. A key used to identify rows. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. C. A real-world object or concept represented in a table. Explanation. An entity represents a real-world object, person, or concept in a relational database, typically modeled as a table with attributes. 46. Which SQL statement is used to change the values of existing rows in a table? A. Insert. B. Update. C. Delete. D. Select. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. B. Update. Explanation. Guys, the update statement is used to modify the values of existing rows in a table, typically by specifying new values for certain columns. 47. Which SQL operator is used to filter results based on matching patterns in a text field? A. In. B. Between. C. Like. D. Exists. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. C. Like. Explanation. The like operator is used in SQL to filter rows based on matching patterns in a text field, often used with wildcards like % and underscore. 48. Which type of key is used to uniquely identify each row in a table and must contain unique, non-null values? A. Foreign key. B. Primary key. C. Unique key. D. Composite key. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. B. Primary key. Explanation. A primary key is used to uniquely identify each row in a table and must contain unique, non-null values to ensure data integrity. 49. Which type of join returns rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table, filling in nulls where there is no match? A. Left join. B. Full join. C. Right join. D. Inner join. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Left join. Explanation. A left join returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table, filling in null values where there is no match. 50. In relational databases, which constraint ensures that a foreign key value must match an existing primary key value or be null? A. Check. B. Referential integrity. C. Unique. D. Primary key. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. B. Referential integrity. Explanation. Referential integrity ensures that foreign key values in a table must either match an existing primary key value or be null, maintaining relationships between tables. You've reached the end of our first question set. For the complete exam preparation experience, visit us at oaexams.com, where you'll find thousands more practice questions and comprehensive study guides. Thanks for studying with us today. See you in the next video.